Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to discuss about fill up, fill down, fill left, fill right methods of range object. Now I am going to start with fill down. Let's say first here I am entering a number which is termed as 1. Next I am going to fill below mentioned cells with the value which I mentioned in range A1. So here in the selected cell at bottom we can find one square symbol. If you place the cursor on that symbol, it displays as plus. It is termed as fill handle. So click on that handle and drag with your mouse as per your requirement. Right now all the selected cells are filled with value mentioned in range A1. Now let us see how to enable or disable this fill handle option. Click on File, click on Options, click on Advanced. Here we can find Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. It is selected. Now I am going to remove the selection. Click on OK. So here I am entering 1. Even though I placed the cursor on the handle, it is not converting into plus symbol as I disabled that option. Now I am enabling that option. Click on File, click on Options, select Advanced, select Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop, click on OK. Now it is converted into plus symbol. In this way we can enable and disable the option of fill handle. Now I am going to fill with incremental number. First I am entering 1, thereafter I am entering 2. So for each and every cell I am going to increase the number by 1. Previously I selected only one cell. Right now I am going to select 2 cells. Thereafter place the cursor on handle and drag as per your requirement. Now I am going to maintain the difference as 2. Now value differed from one cell to another is 2. Now let us see about the concept of fill up method. Here I am entering 20 and again I am entering 19. Select the handle. Now all the selected cells are filled with the required numbers. I am deleting the data. Thereafter I am entering 10. Here I am entering 9. Next I am trying to fill the cells by using fill left method. Next I am selecting 9 and 10. Thereafter by using handle I am dragging towards the right. In this way we can fill the cells by using fill left, fill right, fill down and fill up methods of range object. Till now we executed these methods manually. Right now I am going to show how to execute the same methods by using VBA Macros. Delete the content. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Thereafter insert module. Here I created a sub procedure which is named as fill the cells using methods. After that, in range J8 I am going to place the value as 10. Here we can find complete code. Press F8 to start the debugging. In J8 I placed number as 10. After that I copied the same number up to J2 by using FillUp method. Thereafter I copied same number up to J14 by using FillDown method. Next I copied the same number up to C8 by using FillLeft method. Next I copied the same number up to P8 by using FillRight method. So in this way we can use FillDown, FillLeft, FillRight, FillUp methods of range object. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.